Time does not destroy everything. Sometimes it only waits. This car was born in 1978. An era of real steel, real weight, real soul. Years passed quietly. Dust settled gently. Rust appeared like memories, never loud, never angry. The shine faded. The world moved on. But something inside never stopped breathing. Look closer. As the camera circles around, time begins to let go. Old paint cracks, then dissolves into the air. Not destroyed, released. Beneath it, a new surface awakens. Smooth, glossy, hopeful. Rusted metal heals itself. Broken parts remember their strength. Steel becomes proud again. Bolts tighten on their own. Panels align perfectly. No rush, no force, only patience. The past is not erased, it evolves. Round headlights that once watched empty roads slowly transform into sharp LED eyes, ready to see the future. Listen carefully. Soft clicks, gentle movements, a mechanical symphony, playing the sound of rebirth. This is not just restoration. This is respect. Respect for where it began, and belief in what it can become. From dust to dignity, from rust to royalty. Same soul, new strength. Because legends are not replaced. They are reborn.